So, hello. That's the view. Welcome to Monopoli. Seven a.m. slept maybe 6 hours. But not the worst. There is a Monopoli town. It's a beautiful beach. I was sleeping here on top of this Monopoli in the background. Free water. I don't have to pay for it. That's why I love Italy. Nothing more Italian than Seicento. Oh my. Oh. Yes, I'm walking 40 minutes to Lidl and McDonald's to save money. Let's go. Beautiful Monopoli. Okay, banana €1. So I'm gonna buy a lot of that. Backpack. La la la. €3. Really cheap. Limoncello. Oh my god. I'm glad that I don't drink. Shopping. €12 for this. I eat here and Lidl. McDonald's. I'm gonna edit here. McDonald's and Lidl, my two best friends. Cheap food in Lidl, internet and electricity access in McDonald's. 38 degrees. Woo! Nice beach. Fire. Are you okay? Okay, sleep. Poligiano, Mare. Very cool. Somewhere here are the Red Bull junks. Should I go to the beach? Yeah. People swimming. Quick stop for rest and eat fruits. Take something. Entire this, I think €1. It's very good. A great deal. And now fruit. Like the most relaxing experience. Okay, final view on Poligiano. Buy the tickets to Bari. Welcome. Gelato. People singing. Italy. Whoa! What a nice town. It's nice to just pick random ticket in a train there, cheap in Italy, and just see this beautiful town. Wow. Free water in Italy is the best. Holy moly, this town is amazing. And they also have very nice, huge sand beach. And I found this like mask. I wanted to buy this. I'm some random in the middle of... I got hitchhiked, I think 15 kilometers, midnight. Name of town when I was dropped was Margherita. I sleep somewhere next to the road. I'm gonna try to not get mosquitoes that much attacked. Bye.